Good morning. Today let's discuss try this page 127 and our first question is which of these are negative rational numbers. So you need to identify the negative rational numbers and our first question is minus 2 by 3. Here you can see that numerator is a negative integer and denominator is a positive integer, which means that it's a negative rational number. So the only condition for negative rational number is that numerator should be a positive and numerator should be a negative and denominator should be positive. This is the only condition for a negative rational number. So here in the first example you can say that numerator is a negative and denominator is a positive. Okay, so this condition is satisfied. So first one is a negative rational number. Now what about the second one? Second one, here you can see that 5 by 7. Here the second condition is okay, that is denominator is positive but numerator is also positive, which means that this is a positive rational number. It's not a negative rational number. So second one is not a negative rational number. Okay, now what about the third one? It's 3 by minus 5. 3 by minus 5 means what? You can write it as when you multiply this 3 with minus 1 and minus 5 with minus 1, then in the answer you will get as minus 3 by what is 5 into minus 1, that is 5. So 3 by minus 5 means it will be equal to minus 3 by 5. That means here numerator is negative and denominator is positive, which means it's a negative rational number. Okay, so the third one is also a negative rational number. Now let's see the fourth one. Fourth one is 0. And you can say that you know that 0 is neither a positive rational number and it's nor a negative rational number. So 0 is also not a negative rational number. Now what is fifth one? It is 6 by 11. Here also you can see that denominator is positive but numerator is also positive, which indicates that it's a positive rational number. So it's also not a negative rational number. Now what about the sixth one? Sixth one is minus 2 by minus 9. Here you can see that numerator is a negative rational number, that's okay, negative integer, that's okay, but denominator is not a positive integer. That means it's not a negative rational number. Okay, for a negative rational number, denominator should be positive and numerator should be negative, but here both are negative. That means it's not a negative rational number. Okay, so our options are 1 and 3. Only 1 and 3 are negative rational numbers. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.